To me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me. To me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me.
Everyone is making tutorials using CapCut for this video, even though it's officially banned in India. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to create the same thing in Kinemaster, and you don't even need a VPN for this. This tutorial is going to be super easy if you watch it till the end without skipping. And there's a surprise for you all. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight in. First, select the ratio in which you want to create your video. If you are making shorts, choose 9:16, and for regular videos, select 16:9. I'm making this for shorts, so I will choose 9:16. After that, add any background color to the timeline. It does not really matter which color you choose. Increase its length a little. Then go to Layer, tap on Media, and add the video you want to edit. Double tap it to make it full screen. Let me play it once for you. Now, you need to find a good frame in the middle, a frame where you think the effect will look good. When you find that frame, place the timeline there. Then tap on the trim option and select the second option. This will cut the right side part of the video. After that, tap on this option on the left side, then choose the first option. This will save a screenshot of that frame on your phone. Now you need to come to ChatGPT. You can use any other AI tool if you want, but honestly, I highly recommend using ChatGPT for this. From here, select the image option. Then upload the screenshot you just captured. After that, paste your prompt here. I will share the exact prompt in the description or in the pinned comment. You can easily copy it from there. And if you are making a landscape video, make sure to change the aspect ratio in the prompt to 16:9. Once everything is ready, just click Send, and your image is ready. Now simply download it and you are good to go. Move the timeline bar to the end of the video. Then go to Layers, tap on Media, and add the image you created in ChatGPT. Adjust the size of the image and zoom it according to your preference. Next, we need to match the last frame of the video with this image. For that, add a keyframe at the end of the video. And add another one somewhere in the middle, like this. Then go to the last keyframe and zoom the video so it matches perfectly with the image. To make the animation smoother, place the timeline bar between the two keyframes. Tap on the graph icon, select this option, and click Add. After that, stretch it slightly like this. Now select the image layer. You will see that there is already an initial keyframe at the starting point, so you don't need to add one there separately. Then move a little forward and add a keyframe like this. On this keyframe, slightly zoom and rotate the image just like I'm doing. Leave the starting keyframe as it is. To make the animation smooth, go to the graph option. Click on this option, tap on Add, and stretch it like this. As you can see, about 50% of the video is already ready. Now let me show you how to add the text. First, place your timeline bar right at the starting point of the image. Then tap on Layer, click Text, and type whatever you want, your name or channel name, anything. Next, tap on Font and choose a font that you really like. Take your time here because the font sets the vibe. Now move a little forward on the timeline and add a keyframe, just like I'm showing you. Place the text in an empty area where it looks clean and balanced. After that, go back to the starting keyframe, which is already there. Now, slightly zoom the text and move it to the other side. Play around a bit and see what looks best on screen. To make this animation smooth and satisfying, place the timeline bar between the two keyframes. Tap on the graph icon, select this option, hit Add, and gently stretch the graph like this. After that, add a simple in animation. Select the text layer, tap on In Animations, choose Fade, and make it a little faster using the slider. The text still feels a bit boring, right? Let's make it more interesting. We can place the text behind the person. Here's how to do it. First, select the image. Then, tap on the three dots in the top left corner and click Duplicate. Now you will see that a duplicate of the image has been added. And yes, all the keyframes we applied earlier are also copied to this duplicate. Next, select the duplicate image, scroll down a bit, and tap on the Magic Remover option. This will remove the background from the image. Once the background is removed, the effect will look something like this, and now the text will appear nicely behind the person, making the whole scene look much more professional and engaging. If you are enjoying the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You guys watch the videos regularly, but most of you don't subscribe. Please subscribe. It really motivates us. Alright, now let's add some effects and make this video more exciting. We will start the effect from the beginning of the image. So place the timeline bar here, tap on Layer, and then tap on Effects. Now pay attention here. If you are using the free version, select the Shake effect. Choose the first option and extend its length till the end like this. Then, double tap on the effect to make it full screen. Your effect will look something like this. But if you have the premium version, you can use the wiggle effect, which looks even better. Let me show you. First, I will remove this one. Then go to Effects, select Wiggle, and double tap to make it full screen. Now you can see it's shaking a bit too much, right? So let's fix that. Tap on Properties, then set Style to 1. Reduce Start Strength to 4. Reduce End Strength to 3. And lower the frequency to 3 as well. Now look at it. The effect looks much smoother and more professional. Let me trim the extra part. Now the only thing left is music. Add your favorite music and sync it properly with the video. And that's it! Your video is now completely ready!
Talk to me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me.
Do you remember I mentioned a surprise at the beginning of the video? Well, here it is. I have shared the Kind file in the description. You can download it, import it into Kinemaster, and customize it as you like. I have shown how to customize it in this video. You can check that out as well. This is NexGuide. Keep learning, keep creating.